on our way to the lobby. We just finished eating breakfast, and that's what we're doing. We're just hanging out. Ooh, everybody is scuba diving. There's a scuba diving happening too. That's pretty cool. We're really excited for our day trip today. What do you think of Zanzibar so far?
It is beautiful. It's very hot and humid, so I do enjoy it. But the beach is the best part. That white sand and that clear water is priceless.
Hey y'all, so we made it to the spice farm. We're gonna be doing a spice tour, and it's really nice and warm here. This spice farm is owned by about 5 different families, so that's pretty cool. And all the spices are imported from other countries, so let's go check it out.
Maybe you have seen fruit like this before.
Lychee?
Looks like, but it's not.
Oh, this is our collection basket.
Thank you.
So he's gonna open one of them, and then we'll see how it looks inside.
Okay.
You see? Looks like pomegranate.
It
but also
does.
not. So he's gonna tell us the name by his action, what he's gonna do right now. This is the name of this fruit.
Oh, that's cool. Does it smell nice inside?
Smells beautiful.
Yes. These are our spice bar ladies over here. Star fruit. It's a star. She is a star.
I'm boring because I rejected the star.
I am a star.
Like this one. Yeah.
This is the iodine plant.
This is like this one. As a plastic.
Wow.
For the small problems, we don't need a doctor. Around the farm, everything is hakuna matata. We eat fresh.
Yes.
Which one? Jackfruit.
It's so tall.
Mm-hmm.
This is our spice watch. This is how we know what time it is.
We're married. We're married to nature.
This is mace of nutmeg, the reddish one.
That's nutmeg?
And this is nutmeg.
Oh wow. This is the nutmeg tree.
So we leave them longer, turn to yellow, pick them, dry the sun.
That's cardamom. That's crazy.
Yes, in pilau rice, cakes, tea. They are still green. You see them?
This is our vanilla pod.
Yes.
It looks like green beans.
Yes. About 2 years and a half once you plant it to produce its flowers for the first time.
Wow.
So unfortunately here in Zanzibar we got bees, butterflies and birds, but they don't pollinate vanilla flowers.
Fresh peppercorns. And this is a pepper plant. This is a 15-year-old vine, but you see the tree behind it, so it needs something to go up. Those are some peppers. We have been all through Spice Town, and by Spice Town I mean this beautiful farm that's owned by the community. They're growing so many different things here. We've seen jackfruit, we've seen lemongrass, we have our spice clocks, we've seen cinnamon. I really wish I could grow a cinnamon tree because the root, the leaves, and the bark can help you out. So such a beautiful place. I love spices and I garden, so this is just like the best.
We say poa kichizi, kamandizi, lemon squeezy.
So the price all same price, eh? For each one is 10,000 shillings, but it depends how many stuff do you take. I will give you a good discount. Ginger, and also have avocado for softening skin. Right, and then for you. Oh my God, this is it.
I will. I'll see. I want it to come out.
I do. So what? You need a lot of water. That's a good one.
It rains all the time.
Need open space.
Look at all these little baby pineapples.
Once we harvest, we chop on top for the plant.
Yeah.
Anasema hakuna matata. Hakuna matata Zanzibar.
Wow.
Ete na Zanzibar. Wetena hakuna matata.
That was our spice tour. It was super fun. We got some spices to take home, and we just had a really good time. We learned a lot about different spices. I really wish I had a cinnamon tree. We are gonna be heading to our next destination, but this was really cute. Like, the kids were adorable. We got like really cute little items that they made, and it's cool because they said that, you know, this is again like a community village area. Honestly, I'm hot. We have sweated our life out, so yeah, that's pretty much it.
Bye.
We just finished our tour.
Bye, friends.
Those are our little friends. And we're on to the next one. We're at our second location. We are struggling because we're supposed to be flying out to Ghana, but they canceled one of our flights that we were using with Rwanda Air. So although we are ready to go in the water, the challenge is we still need to book our tickets. So Megan is trying to book tickets right now. The challenge is our internet doesn't work very well here, so we're doing the best that we can with what we have, basically. I think everything is going to be okay. Everything is going to work out just fine. This is where we're pausing at the moment because we got to figure our stuff out. Y'all, praise God, our booking is confirmed.
Okay, great. You're confirmed. 4 travelers, 2 stops.
Y'all,
You know it's stressful when I
amen.
couldn't even upgrade to first class.
Megan said it was stressful when she can't
Praise
upgrade
God
to first
for
class.
this.
We had a cancellation, so we were kind of in limbo just now. The initial flight that we wanted to do was actually sold out, so we went with our second flight, which is actually really similar to our first one, so all is well. We can continue our tour. We are getting on the boat. This is the beach that we're at, and our captain is getting our stuff ready. Woo, y'all. Transportation was a struggle at first. We were stressed, but we made it. I don't know if my boots, though, are gonna be that. I don't know. So I didn't have to worry about the shoes. They said shoes off, girl, so that's what I did. That's what we're about to get into.
I need to sit in the center.
Whoa. All right, we made it. We are almost there. We are approaching the island. Alrighty, it's time to go. Oh, thank you. All right. Thank you. Readies. We are out and we are on the island. It's so pretty. It's so pretty, y'all. The turtles are having some sex. Let me go show y'all. Oh my God. Hold on. We've seen an ostrich having sex. We have also seen a turtle having sex. This is nature. This is nature here in Zanzibar and Tanzania. So That's what happened. Okay, y'all. Praise God. We are taking lots of photos, as you can see, just having a good time with this beautiful view. We pretty much finished our tour of this island. It was very beautiful. We're really hungry right now, so we are looking for some food, but oh my goodness, such a beautiful place, y'all. Like, it is beautiful. As you can see, we are very hot and sweaty. We just finished our boat tour and went straight away to our walking tour, but we needed to eat, y'all. It's hot. This is our tour guide. Y'all, say hi to the best tour guide ever, Yasir.
So it makes me less stressed out.
Our food has come. Yay.
We have food. I can be nice to everyone again.
We just finished eating at a restaurant. We're going to be doing a walking tour of Stonetown with our tour guide. He's so nice. He's just been hanging out with us, chilling and things of that nature. So we're just out here in these streets. It's going to be walking.
This one yellow with the white.
Oh,
Yes.
That's Freddie Mercury's house.
Yeah.
We are shopping. He said it was part of the tour, y'all. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Look at Megan's cute outfit. I love this color. We are doing a tour, but also we're shopping, and he said it's part of the tour, but I don't know, y'all.
In Arabic doors. In most cases, Indian architectures or Indian doors are of this way, round of the top. In most cases, yes, because here we had Indians and Arabs who are living together, together with Africans as well. So Indians used to keep their doors on this way, and Arabs on that way.
This door is Arabic.
Most of the Arab doors have this. Here you see the doors how they get like older, and then they do like this. You see?
Yeah.
And put this door, so they can stay for so long.
Wow.
Again, we'll be back. I'm sorry.
We just bought our tickets to our ferry for tomorrow. We're ending our tour with Zanzibar Adventures. Our guy, Zaid, has been really awesome. And we're probably going to go back into Stonetown for a bit for a little more shopping. Then we're going to call it a night, and we'll see you the next time. Bye. Something happened out here. Somebody got hit by one of them fireworks. I knew it's dangerous. Someone got hit.
Time to go.
Wow.